Hey guys, welcome to Pro Gun. I want to know what all the hype was about with the SIG P365. So I went out and got one myself. Now, if you're looking at the SIG P365, you know they come in a lot of different configurations. This one happens to be the XMACRO. It is a striker fire polymer frame 9mm, and it is unloaded. First off, I want to talk about the trigger. This has got a fantastic trigger. It's got virtually no take-up whatsoever. It's got a very short reset and then a crisp break. I love the grip on this. It's extremely comfortable. It's also got an undercut here that just fits perfectly with your finger under it. You have your Picatinny rail here. Does have a ambi mag release. Then you have your beaver tail so you don't get slide bite. Picatinny rail. Loaded chamber indicator. And out of the box, this is optic ready, and it is already configured for a RMSC footprint, so it'll be a direct mount without a mounting plate. However, if you have a different optic footprint, you can just get a mounting plate for it. It does have a loaded chamber indicator, and it comes with the SIG X-Ray 3 day-night sights. And this is just an incredible firearm that a compact gun like this with a 3.7-inch barrel, and it holds 17+1. Does come with 2 magazines, and the best part about the SIG is that it is modular. The serial number is on the fire control group, so you remove the fire control group from the grip, and that is what's considered the firearm. So you can purchase aftermarket grips, slides, barrels, etc. without having to go to an FFL. So, after all of the hype, I'm going to take this to the range now and see how it performs. SIG P365, first shots fired out of the box using the Magpul AMAGs. I took it to the range, and I shot a few hundred rounds through this using aftermarket magazines, and it functioned flawlessly. I really like this thing a lot. It's very thin. It conceals very well for a gun this size that gives you 17+1. And it is really a great shooter. So if you're looking for a compact pistol that has a lot of firepower, it's modular, comes with a lot of features out of the box for the money, I really think this is a great firearm for the price. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.